Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I posed the question, why don't we make it more popular, more common to ask to be someone's girlfriend or ask someone to be your girlfriend? Now, this topic stems from a conversation that I was having with my best friend at one point in time, because we've had so many conversations about relationships. But she recently proposed to her then girlfriend, now fiance, and I asked her when their anniversary was. Her fiance gave a date, and then she said it was the day that she asked her to be her girlfriend. And she made it a point to do that because it's not a common practice, it's not as popular. And it went off in my head like, I don't think I've ever been asked to be someone's girlfriend. It's always just like, okay, we're hanging out all the time, so it's now automatic, right? It's like, okay, this one moment in time happened and now we're together. And I feel like that should be done. Like, going forward, if you are dating someone, you went through the talking phase, I'll post a video up top here. You went through the dating phase, I'll post a video up top here. I feel like when you want to know, advance the relationship to being boyfriend, girlfriend, to being exclusive, you should make a big deal out of it and let your girl feel special. Let her know that you do care about her, you do have love for her, you do like her, and this is another major milestone in your relationship. So you have the first time you guys talked on the phone, the first time you slid in each other's DMs, or whatever the case is, however it kicked off to kick off the talking phase, right? You have your first date, right? Why don't you have a first relationship like good? Why is it not, this is the day that he asked me to be his girlfriend? Why is that not a thing? That's the question I want to pose to all of you. And to remedy that, I think we all should make this a thing now. I think that we should all rally around. We should all become boyfriend, girlfriend troopers, and we should be more, yeah. And I feel like I've heard this or seen this maybe twice with my own eyes. One was on one of my friends, close friends. Like, he went all out for this girl. There was rose petals everywhere, bouquet of flowers. They went on a nice date. It was a whole thing. And then the other time was probably on Twitter, or maybe it was just that one time and I was just reading different tweets of how girls got proposed to, because it is a proposal in a sense. And I think it's kind of sad that it's not something that's done more, because I would have loved that. I would have loved for my husband or any one of my exes, whatever, now you lost your chance, can't do it anymore. But I would have loved a proposal like that. I would have loved, hey, so, we've been together for a while, we've been doing this thing, I like you, I'm hoping you like me that way too. I would like for you to stop sleeping with other people. And I would like you to be my girlfriend. I think that is so sweet, so genuine, so thoughtful, and it should happen more. So today, here's your assignment. Go to your girlfriend. Tell her you're taking her out on a date. Okay, get her favorite flowers, whether carnations or roses or roses or sunflowers or daisies or whatever. Get her favorite flowers. If you get her roses, get them in her favorite color: blue, pink, purple, white, yellow. I personally love roses, the white variety. Just throwing that out there. But yeah, get her flowers, take her on a nice date, and ask her to be your girlfriend. I promise you, it's one of those moments that she will remember forever. Okay? Okay. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to share. Ask the person that you're dating to officially be your girlfriend. That is my PSA. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've asked your partner to be exclusive with them, leave it in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. Should girls ask boys to be their boyfriends? I don't think so. I would never do it. If you want to do it, good for you. kudos to you. But me personally, over here, where we're designated, not doing it. No, I'm good. Thank you. All right. Until next time, peace, sun, and kissy face. Bye.